Here the top 10 fastest birds in the world. 10. Red-breasted merganser, flying at 81 miles per hour. 9. Frigate bird, reaching speeds of 85 miles per hour. 8. Eurasian hobby, racing at 100 miles per hour. 7. White-faced needletail, flying at 105 miles per hour. 6. Golden eagle, soaring at 150 miles per hour. 5. Gerfalcon, with a speed of 210 miles per hour. 4. Spur-winged goose, reaching speeds of 220 miles per hour. 3. Peregrine falcon, with an impressive speed of 240 miles per hour. 2. White-throated needletail, flying at jaw-dropping speeds of 250 miles per hour. 1. Peregrine falcon, hitting speeds of 242 miles per hour.